Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MSVCP110.dll is missing from computer. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search Visual C++ Redistributables 2012 and press enter. Select the first link from Microsoft. Select the download option. Check mark x86 and x64 and select download option. After getting download done, select this folder icon. And now you just need to install it one by one. First, I'm gonna install the x64. After getting done, install the x84. After getting installed done, just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And type here sfc space slash scan now and press enter. We just need to wait for this scan to get 100% complete. After getting this 100% complete, just to close stuff here and restart the PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.